When it comes to the qualities she values in a man, every woman has her own unique set of preferences. Some love tall, dark, and handsome males, while others favor shorter, lighter-haired men. What a woman notices first, despite of preference, are things like your hands and your clothes. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will be talking about 10 things women notice about men. Please subscribe to the channel if you love psychology and you are interested in gaining knowledge about the human behavior, human personalities, people, facts about love and relationships, body language, attraction, and other curious facts. Let's get started. 1. Women notice your face. You know how when you meet someone for the first time, you can't help but look at their face? It seems that women are more likely to do it than males are. In fact, a study conducted by scientists at the University of Stirling discovered that women use faces as a crucial criterion in assessing a person's beauty, charisma, and reliability. Taking care of your facial features is crucial if you want to leave a good impression on a woman. 2. Women notice your silhouette. It's time to start focusing on your silhouette if you want to attract ladies. Contrary to popular belief, women also pay attention to how you appear, in addition to what you say and how you behave. Your body form is one of the first things people take note of. So figure out how to dress to highlight your natural features and work with your silhouette. As a result, you'll discover that seducing women is actually easy. 3. Women notice your smile. You should smile at the second woman you talk to today. She also happens to be the one who will most likely accept your offer to go out. Women are more likely to be drawn to guys who have a good grin, according to a recent study from the University of British Columbia. Therefore, show off your beautiful whites if you want to get the girl's attention. You'll feel better about yourself in addition to being more attractive. One of the easiest and most powerful methods to increase your confidence and create a positive first impression is to smile. So why not begin grinning right now? How big of a difference it makes could surprise you. 4. Women notice your style. Your choice of clothes might tell a lot about you. Your personality, your hobbies, and even your mood may be revealed through it. So it comes as no surprise that women consciously and unconsciously pay attention to your style. In fact, how you present yourself can have a significant impact on how you are seen romantically. Therefore, ensure your style is on point if you want to attract the attention of that particular someone. 5. Women notice your hands. There is no way to avoid it. When you meet someone for the first time, their attention is drawn to your hands. The way one uses their hands to communicate is incredibly significant and reveals a lot about them. This is particularly accurate for women. Therefore, give your hands some TLC if you want to leave a nice impression on women. This entails keeping them tidy and well-groomed. For more softness and moisture, you might want to think about applying hand cream. These acts will demonstrate to ladies that you value yourself and are willing to put in the effort necessary to present yourself in the best possible light. 6. Women notice your mannerisms. When a woman first meets you, there are a few things she'll notice, one of which is your mannerisms. Women pay significant attention to your physical appearance and verbal communication. Being conscious of your mannerisms and making sure they are favorable is essential if you want to leave a good impression on a woman. 7. Women notice your fragrance. Cologne is worn by so many guys for a reason. It is effective. A pleasing aroma may increase your attraction to the other sex, and a recent study found that women are more perceptive of a man's perfume. They could even be lured to someone who smells pleasant subconsciously. So take your time choosing a scent that goes well with your personality if you want to stand out from the crowd. Also, don't be afraid to use a lot of it, a little really does go a long way. 8. Women notice your voice and language. Have you ever pondered why some people find it simpler to attract the opposite sex than others? Unbelievably, your tone of voice and language may have a significant impact on this. Men who talk cogently and with confidence tend to attract more female attention. To do this, use language that denotes authority and control. Saying "I can" as opposed to "I might" or "I need," for instance. Prevent using filler words like like, and you know. Speak slowly and clearly, and whenever you can, make eye contact. You'll eventually be able to draw attention and interest with only your voice, however it could take a little work. 9. Women notice your body language. In order to engage with one another, humans need to communicate. We employ a variety of signs to communicate, including verbal and body language clues. Although it's commonly believed that women have a stronger sense of intuition, recent research indicates that males may also be adept at reading body language. They simply may not be as effective at conveying what they perceive. Therefore, it may be time to start observing your nonverbal clues if you want to create a good impression on women. 10. Women notice men with a good humor. Another reason to flaunt those white teeth. Men who can laugh are more appealing to women. Make her chuckle even better. You start receiving points for doing that. If you found this video amazing and helpful, please make use of the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you won't miss out on our amazing videos. Thanks for watching.